missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it, and you miss it. Right from the start. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.